Aprilia RSV4 project has always pursued a stated goal, to be the absolute best and fastest uncompromising superbike, the one that comes the closest to Aprilia Racing bikes in terms of performance and effectiveness. A premium product at the top of its category dedicated to extremely demanding customers who want top-shelf performance and refined technical equipment, provided thanks in part to the use of prestigious materials like aluminum, titanium and carbon. Aprilia RSV4, 1100 factory, the latest step in this evolutionary line, boasts exceptional performance combined with a racing frame and suspension and an electronic controls package, both evolved even further. In line with the exclusivity of this model, the Aprilia Style Center has worked hard to make the RSV4, 1100 factory, unique and recognizable even by its colors and attention to detail. The color combinations aim to enhance the exclusive nature of prestigious materials such as carbon, on the front mudguard, the side panels, the exhaust terminal guard and the aerodynamic winglets, in contrast with the titanium finish of the street-legal Akrapovic exhaust terminal, the same color as the forged aluminum wheels. For the graphics of the superstructure, an attractive total matte black look was chosen that enhances all the beauty of the sculpture like twin spar frame and swing arm made of aluminum. Given the incredible performance achieved by RSV4, 1100 factory, for the first time on a factory superbike, Aprilia introduces aerodynamic winglets on the fairing, thanks to the developments made by Aprilia Racing on the RSGP prototype from which they are derived. The particular shape designed in the wind tunnel and the inclination at which they are mounted take advantage of the downforce of the channeled air to let the winglets increase stability at high speeds, contributing to decreasing the tendency for wheelies coming out of turns and at the same time increasing stability in hard braking. With the introduction of RSV4, 1100 factory, Aprilia makes all the top performance a sport rider could desire, available, combined with that character, and, inimitable sound of the V4 from Noel. There is no other power plant of its kind that can boast a 10-year-long history of wins. A platform capable of satisfying the needs of the most advanced sport rider and also representing an exceptional base to develop a racing bike. The RSV4, 1100 factory engine displacement is achieved thanks to new pistons with bore that went from 78 to 81 mm. The 52.3 mm stroke remains unchanged with respect to the 1000 V4 engine that still powers the RSV4RR. The timing system boasts optimized intake valve timing, while the primary drive now counts on a longer ratio for 5th and 6th gear. The electronic injection system now uses a throttle valve support with a more aerodynamic profile in order to improve fluid dynamic permeability. This brings maximum power to 217 horsepower at 13,200 revolutions per minute, setting the bar in the category. Maximum torque also benefits from these changes, obtaining a clear increase along the entire range of more than 10% compared to the 1000 cubic centimeters engine and reaching a maximum value of 122 nanometers at 11,000 revolutions per minute. This is a very important value that makes the RSV4, 1100 factory not only more effective in acceleration even from low speeds on the track, but also more thrilling to ride on the road. Last, but not least, the exhaust system was optimized, not only in the layout of the manifolds, but also adding the street-legal titanium Akrapovic terminal as standard equipment, significantly lighter than the previous unit. The new Aprilia RSV4, 1100 factory also benefits from finer calibration suited for the revamped performance of its APRC electronic controls package.